Parents, good morning kids. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. My name is Shraddha Sejpal and today we are going to learn our math subject. Okay, but first of all let's start our session with a prayer. Okay, so join your hands, close your eyes. Ya gunde tud sar har davla ya या वीणा वरदंड मंडित करा या श्रेष्ठ पद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युत शंकरं प्रभुदिवी देवै सदा वंदिता सामां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निशेष Put your finger like this. Put it on your knees. Fold your legs and then put it on your knees and start. Breathe in, start. The last time, when you start Om, then breathe in and slowly breathe out and speak Om. Okay, start with me. Rub your hands. Put them on your eyes. Slowly. Open your eyes. Now you feel fresh. Okay, kids. So, what did we learn in our previous videos? We learned about opposites. Okay. In the maths class, what did we do? Yes, we do numbers. या फिर sets. या फिर opposites. Okay. In today's class, what are we going to do? ये किसके लिए बनता है? ये क्या है? This is a tens place and this is a ones place. So we are going to do our numbers. Okay. So let's start with me. Okay, kids. So which is the first number of the number series? Yes, number 1. Okay. So where we write number 1 in a tens place or in a ones place? Yes, number 1 to number 9, it's in a ones place. Okay, so every single digit numbers comes in a ones place. So start with 1 ones, 1 after 2. So 2 ones, 1 ones, 2 ones, 3 ones, 4 ones, 5 ones, 6 ones, 7 ones, 8 ones, 9 ones, and 1 10 0 ones. 1 10 and 0 ones makes number 10. Makes number 10. 1 ones, 2 ones, 3 ones, 4 ones, 5 ones, 6 ones, 7 ones, 8 ones, 9 ones, 1 10 0 ones makes number 10. Makes number 10. And how number 10 is occurring? Yes, number 10 is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. A bunch of 10 things combined together and make 110. A bunch of 10 things makes 110. Tell me kids, which number comes after number 10? Yes, number 11. Number 11. So now tell me how we write number 11. Okay, first of all tell me how we write number 10. 1, 10, 0 ones makes number 10. 10 after number 11. So how we write number 11 kids? Yes, 1, 10, 1 ones. In a tens place we write number 1. In a ones place we write number ones. It makes number 11. 1, 10, 1 ones makes number 11. 1, 10, 2 ones makes number 12. 1, 10, 2 ones makes number 12. How we write number 12? 1, 10, 2 ones. 12 after 13. 1, 10, 3 ones makes number 13. 13 after 14. 1, 10, 4 ones makes number 14. 14 after 15. 1, 10, 5 ones makes number 15. Makes number 15. 15 after number 16. How we write number 16? 1, 10, 6 ones makes number 16. 1, 10, 6 ones makes number 16. 16 after 17. 1, 10, 7 ones makes number 17. 17 after 18. 1, 10, 8 ones makes number 18. How we write number 18? 1, 10, 8 ones. Okay kids. So we did number 17. Last number हमने कौन सा किया था? Number 17 in our maths textbook and maths worksheet. So 1 to number 17 we did in the written portion. Okay. And in the oral portion what हमने कितने numbers किए हैं? Yes, we did 1 to 30. 3, 10, 0 ones makes number 30. Okay, so now 1, 10, 8 ones makes number 18. 1, 10, 9 ones makes number 19. Okay, 19 after which number comes after 19? Yes, 2, 10, 0 ones makes number 20. 2, 10, 0 ones makes number 10, 20. Makes number 20. Okay, a bunch of 110 things makes a bunch of 110 things makes 110. A bunch of 110 things makes 110. But a bunch of 210 things makes a bunch of 210 things makes number 20 or a 210. 110 makes a bunch of 10 things makes 110. A bunch of 210 things makes 210. Okay, so 210, 0 ones makes number 20. How we write number 21? 210, 1 ones makes number 21. 20 after which number comes after 20? 21. So 2, 10, 1 ones makes number 21. 21 after 22. 2, 10, 2 tens, 2 ones makes number 22. 2, 10, 2 ones makes number 22. 2, 10, 3 ones makes number 23. 2, 10, 3 ones makes number 23. 23 after which number comes after 23? Yes, 24. So 2, 10, 4 ones makes number 24. Okay, 24 after 2, 10, 5 ones makes number 25. 2, 10, 5 ones makes number 25. 2, 10, 6 ones makes number 26. 2, 10, 6 ones makes number 26. 2, 10, 7 ones makes number 27. 2 10, 7 ones makes number 27. 2 10, 8 ones makes number 28. 2 10, 9 ones makes number 29. Makes number 29. Okay, a bunch of wanted things. A bunch of wanted things makes 110. A bunch of 210 things makes 20. And a bunch of 310 things. A bunch of 310 things makes 310. Makes 310. Okay, so 310 0 ones makes number 30. A bunch of 10 things makes 110. A bunch of 210 things makes 210. A bunch of 310 things makes 310. Okay, so makes number 310 0 ones 30. Okay kids, so अब तक हमने 1 से लेके 30 तक ओरल नंबर्स की है. क्या किया है? 1 to 30 तक ओरल नंबर्स. But today we are going to start our new numbers. New मतलब हम ओरल में न्यू नंबर्स करेंगे. ओके, हमारे रिटन क्वेश्चन में अभी 17 नंबर्स तक ही कंप्लीट हुआ है. So let's start. How we write number 31? Which number comes after number 30? Which number comes after number 30? Yes, number 31. And how we write number 31? 3 10 1 ones makes number 31. 3 10 1 ones makes number 31. Okay, a bunch of any 3 10 things makes 30. And how we write number 31? 3 10 1 ones makes number 31. 3 10 1 ones 31. 3 10 2 ones makes number 32. 3 10 2 ones makes number 32. And how we write number 32 here? How we write number 32? 3 10 2 ones number 32 makes number 32. 3 10 3 ones makes number 33. 3 10 4 ones makes number 34. 3 10 5 ones makes number 35. 3 10 6 ones makes number 36. 3 10 7 ones makes number 37. 3 10 8 ones makes number 38. 3 10 9 ones makes number 39. Okay kids, be careful and pay your attention only here because this is for you, it's new concept. Okay, so a bunch of 10 3 things makes number 30. Okay, makes 310. But now see, a bunch of 110 things makes number 10, right? A bunch of 210 things makes number 20, right? A bunch of 1 2 and 3 10 things makes number 40. A bunch of 3 10 things makes number 40. Now tell me, a bunch of 1 2 3 and 4 10 things makes, yes, number 40. How we write number 40? 4 10 0 ones. Very good. A bunch of 10 things makes 10. A bunch of 2 10 things makes 20. A bunch of 1 2 and 3 10 things makes 30. A bunch of 1 2 3 4 14 10 things makes number 40. So how we write number 40? 4 10 0 ones makes number 40. Okay kids, it might be difficult for you, but it's okay. We revise and then you also speak by yourself. Okay, तब आपको मेरी हेल्प की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. So हमने कितने नंबर्स किए? 1 Any number? Yes, I told you that in India or mostly in many countries 18 is a voted age. मतलब आप 18 years के जब हो जाते हो तब आप जो इलेक्शन होते हैं उसमें वोट कर सकते हो, ओके. दिस इज अ फन फैक्ट अबाउट नंबर्स. ओके, जब आप 18 years के हो जाओगे तब आप भी अभी जो इलेक्शन आने वाले हैं ना उसमें मम्मा पापा जाएंगे वोटिंग करने के लिए, है ना. वैसे आप भी 18 years के बाद वोटिंग कर सकते हो. दिस इज द फन फैक्ट अबाउट नंबर 18. नाउ डू यू लाइक टू count abacus? Do you like to count the abacus? Yes. So let's count. Okay, so let's count. 1 ones, 2 ones, 3 ones, 4 ones, 5 ones, 6 ones, 7 ones, 8 ones, 9 ones, 1 10. Okay, 1 10, 1 ones 11, 1 10, 2 ones 12, 1 10, 3 ones 13, 1 10, 4 ones 14, 1 10, 5 ones 15, 1 10, 6 ones 16, 1 10, 7 ones 17, 1 10, 8 ones 18. Very good. 17 after which number comes after 17? Yes, number 18. Very good. Okay kids, so now you got that our today's topic is about number 18. What are we going to do today? We learn number 18. How we write number 18? 1 10 8 ones. 1 10 8 ones makes number 18. Okay, so now take out your textbook. So kids, take out your Disney Learning Maths textbook, and page number 81. Page number 81. Okay, so this one is in your classwork part. So mention here classwork and today's date. Okay, recognizing number 18. 1 10 8 ones makes number 18. Now there are 18 birds. Very good. So there are a picture of a bird. This is a picture of a bird and there are so many birds. Let's count with me. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 10 1 ones 11, 1 10 2 ones 12, 1 10 3 ones 13, 1 10 4 ones 14, 1 10 5 ones 15, 1 10 6 ones 16, 1 10 7 ones 17, 1 10 8 ones makes number 18. Yes, so there are 18 birds. Now read the instruction. Circle 18 birds. Okay, so there are so many birds. We find only 18 birds. Okay, so circle with me. 1 ones, 2 ones, 3 ones, 4 ones, 5 ones, 6 ones, 7 ones, 8 ones, 9 ones, 1 10. 1 10 1 ones 11, 1 10 2 ones 12, 1 10 3 ones 13, 1 10 4 ones 14, 1 10 5 ones 15, 1 10 6 ones 16, 1 10 7 ones 17, 1 10 8 ones 18. Very good. Sorry, 1 10 8 ones 18. Okay, so our today's classwork part, which is in page number 81, is done. Now take out page number 82. Page number 82. First 4 lines are in your classwork. So mention your classwork and today's date. And now homework. The remaining 3 lines are in your homework and today's date. Okay. Recognizing the shape of number 18. Paste the sticker here. Okay. So first of all we take out the number 18 sticker from here and then paste it on its place. So 1, 10, 8 ones, 8 ones, 1, 10, 8 ones makes number 18. Makes number 18. Okay, so 1, 10, 8 ones makes number 18. Trace and write the number 18 in with Jasmine. Jasmine के साथ हम क्या करेंगे? First of all we trace number 18 and then we write. 1, 10 slowly dots के ऊपर 1, 10, 8 ones makes number 18. 1, 10. आपको 2 राउंड करके 8 नहीं लिखना है. ओके, यू शुड राइट 8 लाइक दिस. 1, 10, 8 ones makes number 18. Which number comes after number 17? Yes, number 18. A fun fact about 18 is there is in many countries 18 is the age that you are voting in the elections. Okay, 1, 10, 8 ones makes number 18. Makes number 18. Okay. Slowly, properly, on dots only. Okay, the second last line, 1, 10, 8 ones makes number 18. In this line, our tracing part is done. Now, how we write number 18? 1, 10, 8 ones makes number 18. 1, 10, 8 ones makes number 18. Like this. Properly. First of all half curve करेंगे हम. Then the backward side half curve. Then another curve and then joint. Okay. 1, 10, 8 ones makes number 18. The last line. Tracing part is done. Now only write number 18. 1, 10, 8 ones makes number 18. This is in your classwork part. Okay. Remember that kids, classwork always with me and homework with your elder ones. Okay. Makes number 18. So your classwork part which is in page number 81 and 82 half page is done and remaining 3 lines are in your homework. I hope you all understand my today's topic, classwork and homework part. Namaskar. Thank you. So your today's classwork and homework. Classwork page number 81. Full page and 82 half page in textbook and homework page number 82 other half page in textbook. Bye bye. Take care. Stay safe. Stay at your home. And keep revising all the numbers.